लब जागल के फिर हसीना हो न हो।
Fusion lifestyle, fusion fashion, fusion music, fusion dance, fusion food. Let's check out Graffito's Food Hub. Behind Graffito's Food Hub.
Okay. See, we started from Kovamangala in 2016. Again, that there where we started. It's a small shop. It's in almost 15 packs concept complete. From there we started. It was in near Jodhimas College, and from there we started this. Yeah.
Why is this Graffito's? How this name came and?
See, the graffitis we made from the word graffiti. Okay, the graffiti is like mix of. It's kind of art, mix of colors. So basically we are giving fusion food here. It's mix of different cuisines. It's go well with graffiti. From out of that word we made graffitis. Yeah.
And there is rumors that the Graffito's interior has been done by the owner itself.
It's not rumor actually, it is the truth actually. Yeah. So they see here we made the graffitis in different floors. Okay, total 3 floors. We have one movie themed dining and one golden room, one party hall and one private space only for the couples, family, friends, for we can say candlelight dinner. Yeah, and we made themes wise, the interiors we did by graffiti. Every floor you can see some photos, arts. So it's basically it's art cafe kind of, we can say that, but it's not art cafe, it's food cafe.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the opening hours of this?
Opening we morning 8 to till night 11, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m.
What are the cuisine style you serve here?
The cuisines we serve, it's kind of fusion food we are serving here. That is the main attraction of this one. Okay, this area. What we are giving is we have South Indian dishes, some North Indian, some Chinese, and very good continental food. So that is what we are serving here. And mix of all these. When one plate, you will get all mix. That's the base attraction.
So what is the approximate price for 2?
That is the approx price for the 2. That is the main attraction of my restaurant, I can say. It is very pocket friendly. The max to max for 2 people, it is I can say 250.
Wow.
Is that cool?
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. So any home delivery service like Zomato, Swiggy?
We already tied up with Swiggy, and we have one new platform came like EMZ. Okay, they're also like Swiggy, but we are onboarded there, and very soon on Zomato. And we have our own home delivery also is coming. It's not set; it will come soon. Yeah. Main attraction of this place, the Bangalore main people are struggling with parking. Our restaurant, we have plenty of parking area. You will get parking, family friendly, friends friendly, couples friendly. All kind of people can come. There is only love here.
That's an amazing thing in which we don't find in other restaurants which we've visited. Graffitos has a sanitizer sachet which we can open and sanitize our hand and then start our food. So it's a tiny packet which says Smart San before everything. This is a typical Kerala dish, unnakai, filled with coconut and sugar and coated with banana dough. Very amazingly presented with cherries, grated coconut and sugar syrup. And let's have a taste of it. Wow, it's amazing. The taste of it is sweet, sugary, coconut. It has all the flavors in it. Well influenced with coconut flavor, grated coconut, fresh coconut. This is Thalesseri biryani. Thalesseri is a small town in Kannur district in Kerala. It's presented pretty well. It has accompaniments with raita, achar, turmeric chutney, and I will be devouring it and destroying the presentation. It just stupendous, fantabulously, phantasmagorical, magical dish. You should come here and try this dish for whatever reason you want to. If you're sad, you're happy, you're romantic, you're having birthdays, try this. I give it a thumbs up, and the accompaniment is amazing. It goes well with this, and it's hot. The egg, the chicken is well marinated, well coated with masala. It's amazing. Cheers to me. We got chocolate milkshake loaded with chocolate, sprinkled choco bits, cherries, and my favorite, choco roll. And here we have strawberry milkshake filled with strawberry syrups, the sprinkles, the choco sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, the cherry on top. It's amazing. So let's try it. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my god. The strawberry milkshake tastes like the freshly plucked strawberries which we get in Mahabaleshwar. It's amazing, and it also tastes like sugar candy of strawberries and also of cotton candies which we get in fair or any exhibits. It's amazing. And this chocolate one, it tastes like a packet of a dairy milk chocolate and cocoa which we get in the hill stations. It's amazing. I'm a fan of this place.
Every evening we just come here, just have some time here, spend a little time with friends and go. But good atmosphere here, and just sit and have. We've got in different flavors of soft drinks here. I think biryani is the best, I think, here.
Yeah, hi, my name is Rahul. I've been visiting this place quite often, and I love the food here. The food is great. The taste is absolutely extraordinary, and the ambience of this place is beautiful. So it's one real good place to chill out.
My name is Jay. So I like the place here. That's the main reason I come over here. I like the shakes also, especially the Oreo shake. Yeah.
I just had egg bonda, it's good. I actually like the setup here, especially this place. I'd like to make this my spot.
Yeah, please visit Grafters Food Hub. The food's really great. And I also suggest you subscribe to NMC Explorers and hit the bell icon.
पास आएंगे हम नहीं आएंगे बार बार बाहें गले में डाल के हम रोले जार जार लग जा गले
ഈ വീഡിയോ കാണുന്ന മലയാളികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി കോറമംഗലായിരുന്നു നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഷോപ്പ്. അതിനുശേഷം ഇന്ദിരാനഗറിലേക്ക് പുതിയൊരു ഷോപ്പ് ഓപ്പൺ ആയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇതെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ക്വാളിറ്റി, ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി, ഹൈജീൻ ഇത് ഉറപ്പായിട്ട് കിട്ടുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
We have mystery customers here, family, couples, youngsters. Everybody loves this place and food.
Music, jamming, dating, proposal, dinner. Everything is welcomed here. The ambience, food, people are amazing. Please do come and visit Graffiters Food Hub. Please like the video, share, comment and subscribe. And press the bell icon for notification. See you soon with a new one.